What's up, guys? I'm going to be doing the review of this Pro 180X chest pack, and let me tell you, this is a lot different. It's not your ordinary backpack. It's a chest pack. You're supposed to put it here in the front of the chest, and it has somewhere where you can even put your phone to record. That's actually pretty cool. Let's check it out. This costs $163 retail price, and it's on sale for $130 for Black Friday. So if you missed the Friday sale, you're gonna buy it for $163. That's how much I bought it for. But let's talk about it. It's not your ordinary backpack. It's a chest pack. All right. So you do have in the back somewhere where you can put a water source or additional kind of like accessories. It's pretty cool, well made. As you can see, it has a pouch, and then again, this is where you put front of the chest and in the back. So again, you can put a water source here. They do have those for sale, but if you have one of your own, you fit that here. All right. So let's talk about here. You have your adjustable straps here, which again you can kind of adjust according to your width and all that. Now let's look at the front. Right, this is the best part that I like this mainly because if you want to do any recordings while you're going on a hike, or if you're just going for a walk and you want to record and you don't want to hold your phone, it has a slot here. Now there's like a little protective sheet here, so even if you were to do, let's say, snowboarding and you want to capture that and want to use your phone, you can use that. So if you have a GoPro, you can use that too, but if you don't have a GoPro, this is really convenient because you can slide it off and protects your phone pretty well. So how do you get to it? Let's go here. So it has like a zipper here. So here, when you press it down, it goes down. So you can kind of put other accessories here. You can put your AirPods or keys, kind of secures it nicely here. And then you slide your phone right here. I do have an iPhone 16 Pro Max, so you can fit an iPhone 16 Pro Max, an iPhone 16 Pro Max. I said that too long. So you do fit that iPhone here, even if you don't have a 16 Pro Max regular phone, you can fit that as well here. And then you pretty simply adjust it back up here. Yeah. You close it up. Now this is magnetic, so even if you forget to zip it up, this does close, and it's pretty secure. So even if you were riding around, again, snowboarding, this is pretty good. What else do you get here? And this is the Pro, like the Pro X series. There's another one that's just like this that has the camera but doesn't have extra storage space. So I got the Pro 180X, which just has extra additional storage in case you want to put keys or something. And you do have those options. And you do have this in case you want to carry. You want to put it here. Pretty accessible to fit one of those pew-pews in there. Obviously, I can't say the real thing, but you know, you get the point. Now you do have access through both sides, so on this side too, in case you want to carry and or put anything extra additionally. Let's see how this looks on me to show you how this chest bag looks. All right, so this is how it looks on me. Again, it's super easy to put on. They have different colors. They have like a green, a desert one, but I just wanted the black one just because it's neutral. Again, if you have a different accessories, you can kind of clip them here, and you have the adjusters here in the back. So again, this is the back here. If you want to put a water source, you can put a water source. Again, this is used for if you're going on a hike, if you just want to go for a walk, if you're snowboarding, this is really convenient. Now this is the best part, why I chose this specific chest pack, because again, if I'm going on want to use my phone, I'm just gonna pull this out, place my phone in here. I could text. Again, this is, you can text through here, and able to zip it up, and you're ready to go. Again, if you don't want to film anything, just pull it up, or if you're ready to go, you can film here. I'm going to show you how it looks through the lens. Let's go. Alright, this is how it looks through the chest pack mounted. As you can see, I have an iPhone 16 Pro Max. Again, you could do whatever. You can kind of type. Again, this is used for snowboarding, going for a hike. Just want to show people around. If you want to carry anything, you can just hands-free start recording. This is how it looks. Again, it's pretty cool. Again, this is me moving up and down. So you can kind of see the stability of it, and just walking around, seeing all different stuff, hands-free. Pretty cool. Let's finish this review. So the West Slope chest pack, again, this is useful if you're going to use it for hiking, skiing, skateboarding, something to give you that action hands-free and really easy to use. Simple chest pack here. Even if you're going to Disney, I find this really useful because again, if you want to record, put your phone here, you have a lot of space for accessories. You can even put your hands here when it gets cold. There's nice little suede inside, as you can see here. Nice little suede. I was looking for this. I didn't see many people doing reviews on this chest pack. I just kept seeing videos, people just showing the pack, but not really kind of showing me a POV of it. Again, a lot of accessories to put in here, cell phone or more additional phones, keys, all that, wallet. And then your chest pack here, real easy to just flip open, start texting, and you have additional space here. So again, the storage, there's a lot of storage. My favorite part is this, right? So if you want to just walk around, have your phone here, recording, really cool. And then just flip it up in case you don't want it to kind of record anymore, if you don't want that. So again, I really like the quality built of this. It is pricey. Again, it's $163 originally, but if you buy it on a sale like Black Friday, it's $130. So there you go, this pricey pack. But again, it is a chest pack, so looks pretty cool. Again, I highly recommend this. If you have any questions, drop in the comment below. If you're not following, hit that follow button because I'm going to be doing a lot of reviews. So if you have any questions specifically to this chest pack, drop in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, hit that follow button and subscribe.